Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with what matters. Luma must be installed and you must have a backup ready. This protects your system if something goes wrong. Once done, power into the Luma configuration menu and enable custom firmware patches needed for locale switching, because those options let the system accept new region values. Next, insert your SD card and ensure the locale payload or file is placed in the correct folder. This prepares everything for the actionable steps that follow, so you can change locale safely. Now you apply the change, boot into Luma using your chosen payload. Hecate works too, because the boot environment determines which patches run. Once booted, navigate to the region or locale patch section, pick the exact target locale you need, and confirm the selection. This writes the new setting into Luma's config. Make sure to save before exiting, since an unsaved change is lost. After saving, reboot the console to let the new locale take effect across system menus and games. Finish by verifying. Open system menus, check timestamps, and confirm the eShop or region-dependent services reflect the new locale. This validates success. If something goes wrong, restore your NAND or EMU NAND backup immediately, because that returns you to a known good state. Then retry the sequence, ensuring the payload was placed correctly and the locale patch saved. A frequent troubleshooting tip: clear cache, reflash the payload, and reapply the patch. That often resolves lingering configuration mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.